Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'm almost to 100,000 subscribers, which is amazing. That's crazy. I never thought in 100 bajillion million years that I'd have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's a dream come true. It's amazing. So thank you guys so much for following along and supporting me along my journey. Today I'm going to show you guys how I style my second day hair. So I'm just going to show you dry texture sprays and dry shampoos and, you know, the whole shebang. So let's get right into the tutorial. All right, so let's talk about dry shampoos. I have a lot of them. I used to have way more. So right now I have five different ones. I have the Enjoy one. Not my favorite because it leaves a lot of white residue. If you do have this, I suggest you apply it at night, sleep on it, and then wake up in the morning. A lot better. I have the Amika Perk Me Up shampoo or dry shampoo. This stuff does work really well. I really like the smell of it. It's just like a regular dry shampoo. The Aveda Shampure one. This is really cool because it's like a mist. So there's not like a ton of product that goes on there, and you can kind of control what you're doing. And you can, I don't know, it is like the white, but it doesn't leave your hair white because it's very light, which I actually like a lot. And it doesn't have like a strong scent at all. It's like fresh plants. So that's a lot better than smelling like dryer sheets or something. You know what I mean? I totally forgot about this one too, but I have the Silken Up Dry Conditioner. It's like dry shampoo, but it kind of has a little bit of moisture in there. I don't really know the difference between the shampoo and the conditioner, but I'm sure it adds like a tiny shine, but it's like weightless. So the dry shampoo from Design Me, this is the Quickie Me, this is the brunette color. I love this one because it's not gray or black. I'll show it to you on my hand. It's a true matte taupe color, which is like pretty much everybody's brown. So I like it because it's brown. I got them brown roots, girl. My favorite one is the Quickie Me Dry Shampoo Foam. And I like this one because it just works. All of them work, but this one it just works the best for me. So usually what I do, and you can tell like it is white, like when it dries down. But so I start over here. I part my hair really deep. I put this much in and I just kind of like dab my hand in there and then just focus it on the roots. All right, and then I like to push everything forward. We always forget those back pieces, right? We have a back of the head too. So I usually do 2 sections and kind of just like rub the rest of my hand in there and get it all in there. So this stuff is wet when it first goes on, which is weird. I know what you're thinking. Weird, right? But it does dry down, and you can even blow dry it in, and I kind of like that, but usually I'll put this in my hair, do my makeup, and then we'll get to styling. All right, then I'll take my brush and I'll just kind of brush through my hair very lightly. Okay, so everything is now super clean feeling and not gross and dirty. Is usually on day 2 I use like a texture product. I don't like using this on day 1 because I really like the feeling of clean hair, and I don't know, I don't like it to be too dry on the first day. On the second day it's like a little oily and can take some dryness. So dry texture spray, what it does is it kind of takes a lot of moisture out of your hair and puts like this dry grit. I don't want to say grit because it doesn't feel gritty, but you can definitely tell that something is there. I have a couple that I use. The Lux Solutions Ion Dry Texture and Finishing Spray. This one is at Sally Beauty. It does work really good. It smells good too. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is the Kenra Dry Texture Spray Dupe. I love the Kenra Dry Texture Spray, but this one actually smells better. So this is generic value products at Sally Beauty too. I think this is like $6 or $7. The Schwarzkopf Professional, the dry texture spray. It smells good. It smells really good. And this one is kind of a little too strong for like every day for me. There's also texture powders too that I really like. Puff Me has one, and then Sexy Hair has one that I use too. But I don't like using the powders on my hair first day because they are kind of sticky, and I find that if I go to bed I get really bad bedhead when I use them because they do have like this sticky something to them that if you like lay on your hair like this, your hair is just gonna be like kinked and stayed like that. I don't like using them on first day hair, but second day hair is a great option. Third day hair is even better in my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna go through, and I feel like the bottom of my hair needs a little straightening on this side. Do you see how it kind of started flipping out? All right, so what we're gonna do, 320 is what I have my flat iron set to. And I'm doing 320 because I don't need a ton of heat. My hair is already technically straightened. I just need that bend at the bottom just to go under and not flipped out. Maybe I'll run it through at the bottom back here. Okay, everything else looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take the dry texture spray, and we are just going to lift up the hair halfway through maybe. Spray some at the top, spray some at the bottom. Another section. Gosh, this stuff smells so good. And there we go. Just like that. I'm going to style it in a second, don't worry. And then we're going to take this side, spray it over. I think I'm going to do like a deeper part today than I had yesterday. And then don't forget the back. Spray that in there. So now I like to just take my comb and really figure out what I'm doing with my hair. So usually I'll go back and gently brush through, just add a tiny bit of tease back here, maybe 2 or 3 sections, just to give it a little oomph on the side. There we go. On this side, and then I'll maybe do something there. And then I'm kind of not liking how that's sticking out. I maybe want it to go down today, so we'll do a little, there we go. And then my bangs seem to be okay. That looks fine to me. Kind of just that little movement. So then I'll just take some hairspray. Today I'm going to use the Hold Me by Design Me, and I'm going to use it on the medium setting. And I'm going to lift at the roots, spray a little bit in there. And then I like to just take that and brush my hands through it, I guess. I didn't like how that was parted, so I'm parting it a little different. And then we'll put more hairspray over here. All right, and then I'll just lift up my bangs. That is how I get my bang. If you guys were wondering, you just spray it and then lift it up. Kind of just separates it, and then, you know, all of it looks fine to me. Whatever. Not a big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a 360 to show you guys exactly what I did. There's little imperfections in the hair because obviously I slept on it, like this little guy, but we're just not gonna worry about it because nobody's gonna notice. I don't want to put extra heat on my hair, and yeah, so here we go, 360. I love this little curl in the front. It just adds a little style. That took way too long to explain how I do my hair in 2 minutes, but I wanted to be a little more thorough with you guys so that you understand like why I do what I do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.